Ever wondered how elevators work? Let's break it down in a fun and casual way. Elevators are fascinating machines that make our lives easier, and understanding their mechanics can be quite interesting. First off, elevators are powered by electric motors that drive a system of pulleys and cables. When you press the button, the elevator's control system kicks in, sending a signal to the motor to move the elevator car. The motor pulls on the cables, which are attached to the elevator car, and a counterweight. This counterweight helps balance the load, making it easier for the motor to lift the car. Now, let's talk about the different types of elevators. The most common ones are traction elevators and hydraulic elevators. Traction elevators use a system of pulleys and cables, while hydraulic elevators rely on a fluid-driven piston to move the car. Both systems have their pros and cons, but they all aim to get you where you need to go safely and efficiently. One of the most interesting aspects of elevators is their safety features. Elevators are equipped with multiple safety systems to prevent accidents. For instance, if the elevator starts to fall too quickly, a safety brake will engage, stopping the car safely. Additionally, there are emergency brakes, door sensors, and backup power systems to ensure that the elevator operates smoothly, even during power outages. Now, let's address that delay before the doors close. Have you ever stood there, waiting for the doors to shut, while the elevator seems to take its sweet time? This delay is intentional and serves several important purposes. First, it allows passengers to enter and exit the elevator safely. The last thing anyone wants is for the doors to close on them. Another reason for the delay is to prevent accidents. If the doors close too quickly, someone could get caught, leading to injuries. The delay gives people enough time to step inside or exit without feeling rushed. It's all about safety and comfort. Additionally, many elevators have sensors that detect if someone is still in the doorway. If the sensors detect an obstruction, the doors will automatically reopen. This feature is especially useful in busy buildings where people are constantly coming and going. The delay can also enhance the overall user experience. Imagine if the doors closed immediately after you pressed the button. It would feel a bit jarring, right? The slight pause creates a smoother transition, making the ride feel more relaxed and less rushed. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into the technology behind elevators. Modern elevators are equipped with advanced control systems that optimize their performance. These systems analyze traffic patterns in the building to determine the most efficient way to move cars. For instance, during peak hours, the system might prioritize elevators serving the ground floor to accommodate more passengers quickly. Some elevators even use artificial intelligence to learn and adapt to usage patterns over time. This means they can become more efficient as they gather data about how people move throughout the building. It's like having a smart assistant that knows when to send the elevator to the right floor. Another cool feature in many elevators is the ability to customize settings for different users. For example, some buildings have elevators that can be programmed to prioritize certain floors for VIPs or staff members. This adds an extra layer of convenience and efficiency to the elevator experience. As technology continues to advance, elevators are becoming more eco-friendly too. Many modern elevators are designed to use less energy, and some even regenerate energy when they descend. This means they can harness the energy created during the descent and use it to power other systems in the building. It's a win-win for both the environment and the building's energy efficiency. In conclusion, elevators are incredible machines that combine engineering, technology, and safety features to make our lives easier. The delay before the doors close is a thoughtful design choice that prioritizes safety and user experience. Next time you step into an elevator, take a moment to appreciate the complex systems at work that help you reach your destination smoothly and safely. Whether it's a quick trip to the 5th floor or a ride to the penthouse, elevators are a vital part of modern life, and they're here to stay.